I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family, credit cards in the scammers.
Hello YouTube, today I will talk about an important topics: how to identify an original Apple product. Sometimes we are confused about the Apple product. Is it original or fake? Like iMac, MacBook, MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. So sometimes it is very confused when the product look like same original Apple product. So you could check the product serial number against the online identification site. That of course could be a fake also. If the computer has OS X based and is able to tell you the system profile or the listing of internal hardware. A regular PC hardware would be appear a bit different than Mac. So in this video today I'll show you how to identify the original Apple product MacBook easy way. So no further delay, let's begin. First of all, open your Mac and go to the left upper corner side Apple logo and click about this Mac, and here you show the serial number at the last list and copy the serial number and close it. Open your browser and go to the website, link will be description, and paste the serial number in the search bar and hit enter. Wait for a while and there is it, and you can see the details and you will be 100% sure this is original Mac. So you can also find out many information about Mac like RAM, ROM and software update something, and you can also sell this Mac online. So it is the process how we find out the original Mac, and also we know the many information about your Mac. So thanks for watching, please subscribe my channel.